You're calling me over, you're pulling me close, with love you surround me, you give me hope, yeah, yeah.
Hey Center Church family, just a friendly reminder, if you want to become an official church member, you can do so. Fill out a membership card in the seat back pocket in front of you and hand it to Terry or myself following the gathering, or drop it in an offering bucket. And we would love to get together with you. We're going to have a membership meeting coming up real soon, and we'll knock out the details of that. So make sure you fill out a membership card. We're looking forward to partnering with you in this new season.
Hey CNC, just a friendly reminder, we're still on hiatus, but we are planning so many things for you guys this year. So if you're between the ages of 18 and 29, stay tuned for what's to come.
Guys, Center Coffee is coming back this coming Wednesday. So from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we're going to be open for that free espresso, free hot chocolates. So make sure you stop by and support Center Coffee. Also, if you're interested in coming out and helping us, then we meet from 6:30 to 8:30 on Wednesday. So we can't wait to see you guys there.
Hey Center Women, it is 2015 and I'm so excited about this new year. We have some great things in store for you, but we're going to kick off the new year right by falling in love with God's Word. Yes, we're going to start our very own Bible study right here at the Center Church on Tuesday nights, starting January the 20th at 7 o'clock. We'll even have a kids corner for your kids to join us. And so, ladies, come, sign up at the iBooth, get in the Word and fall in love, and we'll see you there.
Hey everybody, just to go ahead and let you guys know out there that No Option Student Ministries is coming back this Friday from 7 o'clock to 8:30 p.m. We come in, we have a great time, and we're kicking off a new series called I Don't Feel Like It. So invite all your teenagers and all you youth, stay faithful, stay committed, because we are up for an incredible year. And then also, every last Sunday of the month, No Option Student Ministries will be having a lunch hangout. So this month is going to be falling on January the 25th. After service, we'll be gone from like 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. Just having a great time fellowshipping with one another and making that connection. So please, lots of great things coming up, and we hope to see you guys around. God bless.
If you're visiting the Center Church, welcome. We're very excited that you're joining us today. And if you want to find out more information about us, then you can fill out a Get Connected card located in the seat back pocket right in front of you. Fill it on out and bring it out to the Meet the Pastor tent following our gathering, where you get to meet our pastors, plus you get a free Center Coffee drink on us. Well, that's it for this week's Center News. But don't forget to check in on Facebook at the Center Church. You can also tag us on Twitter, #Center Church. You can tag us on Instagram at Center Church Life. And you can find out all of this information on our website, www.thecenterchurch.com. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Sunday right here at the Center Church.